Hello friends, I am CSJAS. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well and preparing for your exams. So I am here to tell you that I host free special live classes daily on Unacademy on JIGL and company law. If you have not joined my session yet, I would request you to join the sessions as I teach concept wise as well as I incorporate question answers also so that students get a more clarity. But today I am here to announce two special live classes today only, that is at 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. Now probably I feel that preparation phase is almost over or should be over till March end, and you should start with your revision. Even if you are doing your preparation side by side, start with your revision. I have been posting revision strategies, revision tips, effective revision tips, so I hope you all are seeing those videos as well. Other than that, today I will be giving you customized and personalized revision tips, as in at 5 p.m. I'll host a special live class on customized and personalized revision timetables for June 2022, and at 7 p.m. I'll host customized and personalized revision strategies for June 2022. Now, what do you mean by customized and personalized? The point is that when I host videos, they are probably from a very general and a very wider perspective. As a perspective that, from a very general overview, from a very broader overview. But as a student, you all have your different situations, you all have your different preparation styles, different preparation, some would have prepared only 10%, some would have prepared 100%. So like that, you can come up and tell me how much are you prepared and how can I help you and give you a personalized revision timetable. You can come up and tell me how much are you prepared and you need my guidance on revision, because revision, according to me, is way more important than preparation. So whatever you have prepared, start the revision right now. Start what you are preparing, revise side by side. Revision is that important. The students who clear the exams are the ones who revise in a very serious manner. So make sure that you are not lacking behind and you're not skipping revision at any cost. So come and I will guide you. You tell me how are you prepared and I'll tell you how can you incorporate your revision with your preparation as well. Looking forward to all of you attending my sessions at 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. The sessions are totally free of cost. You can unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. The class links to both the classes are in the description box below. Make sure you click on them and click notify me so that you get a notification before my class begins. Other than that, Unacademy is hosting a comprehensive batch for our CS executive students, which has started on 9th March only. And if you're looking for a very nice comprehensive batch by good teachers, you should go and check this batch, the Shikhar batch. The batch links are also in the description box below, and if you plan to get a subscription, do use my code CSJAS to get flat 10% discount and start your preparation, or I would say start your revision with me. Try to revise as many times as you can. So looking forward to seeing you all at 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. as well. Unlock my classes by using my code CSJAS. Bye.